Mindy. I live in Dixon, Illinois. I took courses out at Sauk and I work full-time as a welder at Etnire. I have a 6-year-old son who means the world to me and is exactly why I went into this career. I needed something that paid well. I need to support myself, I need to support him, and this definitely helps me do that.
Sauk Valley is just chock full of places looking for welders. There's Aztec, Blount's, Etnire, there's Cat Peoria, John Deere in the Quad Cities. I mean, there's all kinds of people looking for welders right now.
Today we roughly have around 95 welders that are employed here. It's a rare occasion when we don't have a need for a good welder. If a good welder comes to our doorstep, we grab them and don't let them go.
It's more beneficial to you to go from WACC's program to Sauk Valley Community College's program and get your advanced welding certificate. You'll end up being able to ask for more starting out at a local business as opposed from going just from high school to a business.
Such a diversified, subjects. I mean, you got MIG, you got TIG, you got ARC. The big thing right now is robotic welding. That's huge. A lot of people are bringing in a lot of robot welders.
I would encourage people to work part-time and go to school for welding. Schooling prepares you up to a certain point, but then really when you work part-time and you go to school, it's like you get the best of both worlds.